My name is Nick Groth, and I've been in the mechanical machinery engineering solution industry since 1996. And I'd like to share with you a little bit my experience in the industry over the past years in Asia and Europe and on a global level. There are 3 points I think are important to use here as examples. One is the service importance as a whole is gaining more and more ground. In the industry, I think everybody has understood that only happy customers buy again and how important it is. But what we are facing today, due to conflicts, due to inflation and the lack of global growth, is also that we see somehow less new equipment business in certain industries, in certain applications happening in various companies right now. And that means service, after-sales service is becoming more and more important. One, of course, to satisfy our customers, and that's most important, but also as a profitability aspect. The second point I'd like to point out is when talking about service, and here I've been CSO in various companies in the past. The second point is installed base management. As a service manager or service leader, I can only generate business and I can only satisfy customers if I know where my machines are. And installed base management is absolute necessary and key to success. And I think many companies, whether large, small or medium sized, don't know where the machines, where the equipment are located right now. Third point for me to point out is a digital platform. This is absolute key to success for me, because many companies, many people receive information or have information in various different platforms. It could be in WhatsApp, it could be in email, it could be on an Excel sheet, it could be post-it notes, and very often things are not in a central platform. And here I think it is so important to have a digital platform where everything is basically located, where I am able to find information about service history, the documentation, the manuals, chats with the customer, pictures, drawings, even 3D drawings, where everything is in one platform. And this is absolute important.